Here's a pair of the Soundcore V20i earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Vizio smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing we want to do is put these earbuds in a pairing mode. So let me take the earbuds out of the case. Now when I take them out of the case, and if I wait for a few seconds, after a few seconds, if it's blinking blue, that means it's in pairing mode. And let me see here if mine goes into pairing mode. Okay, actually mine turns off. So let me manually put mine in the pairing mode. All you gotta do is press and hold the logo on top of the earbuds on both of them. Press and hold, ready to go. Keep holding until it starts blinking blue on both of them. There we go, blue, blue, that's what we want. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's go ahead and shoot over to our TV. Just go directly to your settings. If you have a settings button on your remote, if not, just go to the home page, click on the home button on the remote, and then just look for your settings. On this one here, I'm going to go left, and then I'm going to go down, all the way down to settings down there, right there. Now from here, I'm going to go down to all settings, right there. Now we're going to go down to Bluetooth devices and remotes, right there. From here, we're going to go down one to headphones. Let's select that. And now I see that little spinning thing down there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me. So these are still in the pairing mode. I didn't find it yet. Okay, there we go. Found it. Soundcore V20i. So just go down to it, highlight it, and select it, the pair. And voila, we're connected, ready to go. Pretty simple. Now, if you had issues, you can't put this in a pairing mode, or you have problems connecting or whatnot, you can always factory reset these earbuds. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.